Time for a performance, and this I want to show exactly where all our influences come from. So mine is, I guess, from England and the Celtic tradition, so we're going to use the Wheels on My Feet song to show it. So if I go, I was born with wheels on my feet, yeah, it's okay. But when we bring in all of this background and all of this knowledge from all over Europe and beyond, should we see how it goes?
Let's do, but before that, let's just explain to our audience, I think let's just give them a little bit of guidance. If you want to make a gypsy performance, then this is what you need to do, right? You need to involve everyone in the room, right? Another thing is that everybody needs to participate, right? We do singing, normally everybody needs to sing in the room as well. There are lead singers who lead the verses, but then everybody will join in. And I think another thing to say about performances that we always pick up the local stuff, right? So we've traveled from India through Russia to Europe and Americas, and we always picked up the local food, the local drink, the local words, the local clothing, and we made it better. We made it more exciting. We made it more spicy. We filled it up with emotions, good and bad.
Let's show it. You ready?
Let's go then.
I was born with wheels on my feet. I was born to succeed, and I listened to my teachers, young and old. Yes, I listened to every story that they told. Little baby, born full of hope, taking the first steps along life's rocky road. And I stumbled, but I got back up again, and I learned how to fall, and I learned how to mend. La 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. I was born with wheels on my feet. I was born to succeed, and I listened, you know, yes, I listened to the songs of my teachers in Bradford City. Oh.